Hey, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting both of you this morning. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your kitchen. So we'll start with the right side of your stove top. You have a center post down here. We'll go ahead and remove that center post and we'll mount it to the inside of the left door that we talked about. And on the bottom, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch height glide out on the bottom, and then a 2.5 inch height glide out on the top. And just as a reminder, we keep that shelf in for support. So if there's like young children or you begin to lean on them, they are not going to flip over. Okay, so that's doing one cabinet. I went ahead and showed you the back side of that island. What we'll do is cut that center post and we'll do a 2.5 inch on the bottom and then a 2.5 inch on the top. I went ahead and I did not include the area for where your snacks are. We can always include that if you decide, but I kind of felt that these were the two most important cabinets. So I priced it just doing this one cabinet, and then I priced it doing both cabinets. So that will be in the email, and it's a basic grade, which is a 3-year warranty. And we can do a credit card right over the phone and take care of you that way. All right. 770-380-2499. All right. Look forward to working with you. Take care. It's nice chatting with you guys. Bye-bye.